It's the former First Lady, Mrs. Lodina Mahama, Oninikunu, Sre Amadia Shopping Center, Dr. Crete Nanaboro, David, Sre Assemblyman, Honorable Ibrahim Dauda, Honorable Rashid, Ghana Funina, Ghana Fananina, Niyasinina, Ghana Chef Association, Obibia, Odin, Namondin in India, a better Cook-a-thon, Ghana Pose, Mufami born in Jamie. My phone can say, and says, Metina Sibi Mumpo, Miss Say, my family check, my phone of mining now.
Hello, ladies and gentlemen. This is information we are saying on the favorite channel, Positive Media GH. Yes, Kenneth Martinasi. Martinasi, information be able to information there able to do and I say the Bremo. I'm only information there. We are saying information see the Ghana. Hey, go get this information. And they be able to catch them information there. Ghana. For the first say for wars have years. Now wars have years. I mean, Kenneth, me na me one. What kasa? No one can hear them. Tia. We have to jam and say when say yes. When I would do concern, when I come conference, and I say, and need to know, yes, I'm the war. And need to know information the areas. And information be so able to Chef Smith is in the news again. Chef Smith will say, I mean, he's a national asset. Why is he? Or the eighth wonder of the world. Say, seven wonder of the world. Why is he? Chef Smith, the eighth wonder of the world. So Chef Smith, he didn't call your money high star on your professor. No, why I say because I mean the guy sat down and mastermind everything, orchestrated and planned everything. When even planning and plotting, this man single-handedly, I mean, sat down, planned this. I mean, just say, but for them kind of describing the whole process. Just say he single-handedly, just say, on no quite snazzy no ye bibia, orchestrated bibia. Or scheming BB, I say. And because we say the call we money high star, you find the professor, we call more than professor. I mean, this guy sat down, planned to scam the whole country, to scam the whole nation. Hey! No, Chef Ebenezer Smith, we're too much. We're too much. Just say. Well, so let me take you to the genesis of the whole issue. I mean, this episode of Information Reality is an update of what the previous show I did. And it is someone share, I mean, I took you through, I mean, how everything started. I mean, from his Cook-a-thon to, I mean, announcement of his, I mean, record-breaking attempt, you know, and I said, certificate announcement in my yes, I show no. And to know if you're the first time hearing about this show, browse to our channel, Positive Media GH. It's just I posted about 3 days ago. Into our home. Just check it out before you can even get the internet because we know me my mouth summary and that's an exclusive interview now call with GH one TV why I say so let me give you a brief history about this whole thing. Earlier this year, February 1st to 6th March, and Chef Smith decided to embark on the cooking marathon. It started on the 1st of February to 6th March, which is about approximately about 35 days, 820 hours of cooking. I mean, I just find it very intriguing that if this is not real, now according to the let me put it this way, according to the interview that the exclusive interview that he had with Sevan Meyer on GH1, according to Chef Smith, he said that he did not apply for the Cook-a-thon.
I don't have application with Guinness World Record.
So you did not apply?
No.
You did not apply?
No.
He did not write any letter to Guinness World Record for the Cook-a-thon to happen. He just sat down, read through the guidelines, the rules on their website, and then he took somebody's reference number and edited it to become his. So he used that reference number to seek for sponsorship. I mean, why would you do that? This is how and why I find it very intriguing, because why would you do this? if people are deciding to take this guy on, I mean, this guy will have a lot of cost to bear. Because see, the cost of this cook-a-thon, I can't even imagine cooking for 35 days. I mean, we all know how food items, I mean, food stuff are very expensive nowadays. And to stand on your feet to cook for 35 days, it's not easy. So, I mean, according to him, he sat down, planned, plotted, schemed everything to his own benefit. Now, according to him, he said his only motivation was to, I mean, find a solid platform for him to showcase his cooking talent. And so he has to plan all this to scam the whole nation. I mean, you might think that it's not a scam, but I mean, this is perfect deception. To come out and say that, oh yes, I'm embarking on a cook-a-thon, so the Ghanaians should come and support you. I mean, if you could remember, we initially, when his cook-a-thon was going on, we did a show on this platform or on this channel saying that, I mean, we do not understand why Chef Smith is embarking on a cook-a-thon and no one is sponsoring him, no one is showing him support. And we were even somehow or somewhat bitter about the whole thing, that because, I mean, Ifo did the sing-a-thon, Fela did a cook-a-thon in Tamale, and people from Accra and Tamale travel all the way to Tamale to support Chef Fela. But now that we have someone cooking in Tema or Accra or Spintex, and we fail to show him support. And so Ghanaians were talking, and you know, Chef Smith or cook-a-thon, and no one is showing him support. And I mean, I thought people were seeing things in the space. I mean, Chef Smith is cooking something that is uncookable. That's an American answer, because Chef Smith has now, according to him, if I should go further on his interview, according to him, he said that he forged all the documentation.
So you created your own application reference?
Like I said, I built my application reference.
Yourself?
I built it on Edusafo's application reference.
So you mean you copied it?
Yeah.
But that's a crime. You forged it. You forged the application documents.
Yes, I did.
He even approached, I mean, assemblyman, ministers. I mean, this guy actually played with the smartness of Ghanaians, and Ghanaians actually has come out to expose it. I mean, why would you even do this? I mean, the question I asked myself, that why would you spend so much money doing this just to project your talent, just to showcase what you can do, when you could just do the right thing? Well, so Chef Smith has come out to say he's sorry for whatever he has done.
I want to use this platform to render a very big apology.
To who?
To all of them. From Honorable Ibrahim Dauda, who led me to the Ahmadiyya, to the CEO of Ahmadiyya, to the management, to my assistant, shoe chef, Letitia, and to the entire nation, the President of Ghana, the Vice President, the former First Lady, who came all out with the cookware, the former President, Mr. John Dramani Mahama. And I apologize to the entire world, the entire nation, for bringing this shame upon myself and the nation and the entire world.
But I mean, would the sorry be able to accommodate, and also would the sorry be able to pay off, I mean, the money that was spent on his cook-a-thon? Because I mean, the lead sponsor used about and spent about over 300,000 Ghana cedis for whole cooking marathon. I mean, why would you spend so much money like this? If your motivation is to is to showcase your cooking talent. I mean, you were passionate. According to you, you said you were passionate about cooking. So why would you spend so much money, deceive Ghanaians, spend so much in organizing press conferences? Come on, I don't even understand.
I don't take madness. I don't take far. I don't take so far minutes. And I meant yes.
I mean, because I just want to say, hey, no, this guy actually tried to play with the smartness of Ghanaians. I mean, intelligence of Ghanaians. And Ghanaians have actually come out to say, we are not gullible, we are not vulnerable like that, as people think we are. I mean, we have a lot of people scamming, a lot of Ghanaians in this country, and I mean, Chef Smith decided to go on the same tangent to scam Ghanaians. I mean, he has succeeded in scamming us to make us believe that he was doing the right thing. I mean, so doing all this, and now this is the outcome of the whole event. If the people who sponsored you, if the people who actually came out to support you, I mean, decide to take you on, what are you going to do? Well, people are trying to blame it on unemployment in this country. That a Germany hunting. I mean, people are trying to do anything else to survive. This is not different from, I mean, stealing. This is not different from robbery. Because first of all, you have wasted a lot of money. And second of all, you have messed up every chance you get. You will not have any opportunity to even embark on Cook-a-thon, because who is going to sponsor you again if you say you want, if you get the opportunity, legitimate one, and you'll be able to go on Cook-a-thon? Who is going to sponsor that? Because you had a platform to do the right thing, and now you have messed it up. And you haven't even messed it up for yourself. You have messed it up for anyone else. If you go to the website of Guinness Book of Record, they have removed the contest for, I mean, cooking marathon from their website, which means nobody can apply for a Cook-a-thon, because that category has been removed from their website. You see, so you have actually messed up the whole opportunity for a lot of Ghanaians who want to, I mean, go on that pedestal. First of all, you force somebody's reference number. You use that reference number to seek for sponsorship. You succeeded in seeking the sponsorship. You went ahead and did the Cook-a-thon. Spent so much money, over 300,000 Ghana cedis, which is over 3 billion old Ghana cedis. Imagine, this money can buy a whole house and a car. We joke in this country. I can't even fathom what actually motivated you to do this, when you could have just done the right thing. Why? I mean, I got even in his interview, maybe said, I didn't know, yes, and see, it doesn't know. Well, very often you might blame it on the devil, say, oh, it's the devil's work. But you sat down, planned, plotted, orchestrated, schemed everything. Now there is a certificate on his page.
I have also seen on your page, International Master Chefs Club, Certificate of Excellence. Are you a member of that club? Did you receive any award from them? Because this says that this certificate is proudly awarded to Executive Chef Ebenezer Smith for his extraordinary contributions and development to culinary arts and hospitality. Did you receive this?
No.
You forged this too?
Yes.
Of International Association of Chefs, Chef International Association, whatever they call it. That one too is not even legitimate. That one is also forged. I mean, so this guy's life is a complete scam. Hey, Charlie, Ghana sweet. Someone will just sit down, play with the intelligence of Ghanaians, scam the whole country, and come back and say sorry. Chef Smith, apology accepted, but we cannot forget this. You are the professor of money heist. You are the new eighth wonder of the world. Master, how did you do this? You have to show us the way. Where Gen Z make actually say settings. Just say settings. Where settings? Actually, Chef Smith, why are there? Now, for the fact that you were able to organize press conference to announce yourself, say, what set it, we break you world record and set a new record. Printed a whole certificate for yourself. Hey, master, this guy. now tell me why this guy doesn't deserve to be on the 8th wonder of the world. Tell me. Well, so this is information we are seeing on the favorite channel, Post City Media GH. Yes, this show is proudly sponsored by Kent Frank Properties. Wherever in this country, Accra, East Legon, Airport East, Airport West, Cantonment, Ridge, Tema, Ebri, Oyarifa, East Legon Hills, baby, and all what then crowd episode 2 just call us. Just call us. Yeah, but I mean, free consultation. Open so to assess and as open so to then no legal documentation any be now all the Cook and Trump properties. They will provide you with free consultation here and there. Why I say I need to know Cook and Trump properties on 0557210313 055721301313. I need to know, yes, this is information we are saying Chef Smith has come out to apologize. She said, I can't even think far. I can't think madness. Why would you spend so much money to do the wrong thing? Well, come on, guys. Chef Smith. Honestly, in as much as I feel sorry for the whole, and I feel sorry for you, you not try, cry. You not force. Well, like I said earlier, apology accepted, but we cannot forget this. We cannot forget this. Cooking for 35 days, 820 hours. Spent over 300,000 Ghana cedis just to do the wrong thing. I mean, how can you do this? How can you tell me this story? Ladies and gentlemen, Chef Smith has come to apologize. So, share with us in the comment section whatever you think about this apology. He is remorseful about the whole thing. I mean, he has messed up. We can forgive him, but I don't know what his lead sponsors are planning, because if any stakeholder involved in this Cook-a-thon buhaha, and they are going to do and what they are, if they decide to take him in, I don't think you'll be able to, because he is literally saying that he earns a meager salary, and so he needed a platform to. He needed a bigger platform to acquire a bigger project, let's say a permanent employment where he can earn, huge, salary, and that's that's more reason why he did that. But why would you do this when you can just do the right thing? Yeah, so this is where I say this is information we are seeing on the favorite channel.
Hi, my name is Katie. I'm an American and I love Ghana. Anytime I want to hear news about Ghana, I watch Port City Media GH. Make sure to comment, like, share, and subscribe. Bye.
Chef Smith, apology accepted, but we can never forget. Thank you for joining us on today's episode of Information We Are Saying. I am out.